Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your BNB from Phantom Wallet to Uphold for easier management or trading. Today, I'm walking you through this step by step in a simple, straightforward way. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, this guide will have you set in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. It's super important to double-check that your wallet is connected to the correct network. BNB is on the BNB Smart Chain, so confirm that before we start. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet and navigate to the Assets section. Find your BNB balance and tap on it to select it. This will bring up your options for managing the asset. Next, look for the Send or Withdraw button. Depending on the app's latest update in 2025, it might be labeled differently, but it's usually straightforward. Step 2. Enter the destination address. This is where Uphold comes in. Log into your Uphold account on another device or tab, go to your wallet section, and copy the BNB deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one for BNB on the BNB Smart Chain to avoid any errors. Paste that address into the To field in Phantom Wallet. Step 3. Specify the amount. Decide how much BNB you want to withdraw. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary. Once you've entered the amount, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the fees and the final amount that will arrive in Uphold. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight while the blockchain processes it. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head over to your Uphold account and check your BNB balance. It should show up shortly. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and be wary of phishing sites. If you run into any issues, double-check the network and addresses. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn BNB from Phantom to Uphold. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.